Hi, this is Mateo with Technoweld. I'm the repair tech here, and today we're going to be assembling the UWC1. Alrighty, so all the parts that are here, so we have our back plate here, our bottom plate, our top shelf, your two brackets here, your axle, your back wheels, and the two front caster wheels. And then we have all of our bolts here. So first, we are going to set up our two brackets here. And we put our bottom plate on there. There's holes, so just match up the holes here. Alrighty, so we have 4 screws here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, just to hold this all together. These 2 holes here are for our front casters. We'll come back to that. Alrighty, so now we're going to assemble our top piece. So you take your back plate here. See, there's lines up. Just put it up there. Grab your top shelf. Set it around here like this. Align your holes up top. 4 screws here. Once you got your screws, do the back ones first. Alrighty. Then you have 2 screws on the back side here. You just want to put those on. Okay, that's all good there. Now we just have our wheels to put on. So we got our back ones there, the axle, and our 2 front casters. We are going to start with the back wheels here. So put it to the edge, 2 washers for each wheel, and our 2 clips here. So take your axle, feed it through one end. You just want to kind of even them out on each side. 1 washer there, 1 washer on this side. There's, you got your longer piece here that goes on the inside. Okay, same thing on the other side. Perfect. Another washer. Put those in there. And you can use the pliers and bend those together. Alright, so we have our 2 casters here. Go ahead and put these on. Hold that together in there. Alright. We got a washer. Hand tight for now, and then we're going to lock them in place. Alright, now we're going to lock them in place. We're using a 13mm socket, so good there, and good there. Alright, last thing is just your chains. And there you have it. This is your UWC1.